Slider windows are a popular choice among Layton homeowners thanks to their sleek appearance, easy operation, and ability to provide expansive outdoor views. These windows glide horizontally along a track, making them an excellent option for rooms that require ventilation and natural light. However, while selecting high-quality slider windows is important, the installation process is equally critical to their long-term performance. Professional installation can significantly impact how well slider windows function, how energy efficient they are, and how long they last. For homeowners in Layton, where seasonal weather can range from hot summers to freezing winters, proper installation is essential for maximizing the value of their investment. Ensuring smooth operation from day one. One of the biggest advantages of slider windows is their ease of use. When installed correctly, the sash glides smoothly along the track with minimal effort. However, even the highest quality slider window can become difficult to open and close if it is not properly aligned during installation. Professional installers take precise measurements and ensure that the window frame is level and square. This attention to detail helps prevent issues such as sticking, dragging, or uneven movement. Proper alignment also reduces unnecessary wear on the window's moving components, helping maintain smooth operation for years to come. Improving energy efficiency. Layton homeowners understand the importance of keeping homes comfortable throughout changing seasons. During winter, poorly installed windows can allow cold air to enter the home, while summer heat can infiltrate through gaps and openings. Professional installation helps create a tight seal around the window frame, minimizing drafts and preventing air leakage. This ensures that the insulating features of the slider window perform as intended. Many modern slider windows are designed with energy-efficient glass packages and advanced weather stripping. However, these features can only deliver optimal results when the window is installed correctly. Proper installation helps maintain indoor temperatures more effectively, reducing strain on heating and cooling systems and potentially lowering monthly energy bills. Protecting against moisture intrusion. Moisture is one of the most common threats to a home's structure. Rain, snow, and condensation can cause significant damage if water finds its way around improperly installed windows. Professional installers understand how to properly flash, seal, and weatherproof slider windows to help prevent water infiltration. They ensure that any moisture is directed away from the home rather than trapped inside wall cavities. In Layton's climate, where snow and freezing temperatures can create additional moisture concerns, proper installation serves as an important safeguard against water damage, mold growth, and wood rot. Enhancing home comfort. Drafts and temperature fluctuations near windows can make certain areas of a home uncomfortable. Improper installation often leaves small gaps that allow outdoor air to affect indoor comfort. A professionally installed slider window creates a secure barrier between the interior and exterior environments. This helps maintain consistent indoor temperatures and reduces cold spots during winter months. Homeowners often notice improved comfort levels throughout the home when windows are installed correctly, especially in living rooms, bedrooms, and areas with large window openings. Supporting long-term durability. Slider windows are designed to provide years of reliable performance, but poor installation can shorten their lifespan. Misaligned frames, inadequate sealing, and improper support can place unnecessary stress on window components. Professional installers follow manufacturer specifications to ensure the window is properly secured and supported. This reduces the risk of operational issues, frame distortion, and premature wear. By protecting the structural integrity of the window, professional installation helps homeowners get the most from their investment while minimizing the need for future repairs. Preserving manufacturer warranties. Many homeowners are surprised to learn that improper installation can sometimes affect warranty coverage. Manufacturers often require windows to be installed according to specific guidelines to maintain warranty protection. Professional installers are familiar with these requirements and follow industry best practices during the installation process. This can provide homeowners with additional peace of mind, knowing that their investment is protected. A smart investment for Layton homeowners. Choosing slider windows is an excellent way to improve ventilation, natural light, and curb appeal. However, the benefits of these windows depend heavily on how they are installed. Professional installation helps ensure smooth operation, stronger energy efficiency, improved moisture protection, and long-term durability. For homeowners in Layton, investing in professional slider window installation is one of the most effective ways to maximize performance and enjoy lasting comfort. When quality products are paired with expert craftsmanship, the result is a home that looks better, feels more comfortable, and performs efficiently throughout every season.